arbitrage, to be honest, I was able to craft a perfect CV actually, which I haven't done earlier. That was a big factor in landing me a new job as a deputy manager in a startup. So I'm very grateful for the support that I have received from Skill Arbitrage. This is not only a symbol of my achievement, I feel it's also a testament to the power of their guidance and mentorship. I'm so honored to be here. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone here at Skill Arbitrage for the level that I am here today. It is because of them. I personally feel very happy that I have joined a course that is fruitful in my journey. So I actually took a break in my career. I'm a project management cum production editor in a publishing field. I was having a service of around more than 18 years, and I had to take a break for my personal reasons. And when I took the break, then after I wanted to continue, I didn't have any hope whether I'll be able to do something better what I was doing earlier. It was all because of Skill Arbitrage. I was able to do that. So at that time, I discovered Skill Arbitrage. I should be happy for that I have chosen the right path. So there was a boot camp in September 2023. It was incredible, actually helpful, and all the sessions are highly invaluable, I have to say. I want to thank everyone from Skill Arbitrage, right from Swaneet Bhatia, Ms. Meena, Dr. Siddharth Priya. He's amazing the way he had given guidance and support for the CV preparation. So hats off for him for that. From Anita, anytime they were reachable, Chalya, then Kiran Matari, whenever I reached out to him, he was ready to help me and he gave whatever guidance he could give. Then Adina Mehdi, she was keep on following me, what I am and where I am. And she used to share everything like, you can do this. And Surabhi, to definitely mention. So whenever I book Calendly, she was amazing. When I was losing hope, she gave me that moral support that I could bounce back. They're amazing, excellent. So with the help of Skill Arbitrage, to be honest, I was able to craft a perfect CV actually, which I haven't done earlier, and even a profile on LinkedIn. I had a profile on LinkedIn, but it has to meet the requirements. So with the help of Skill Arbitrage team, I was able to do that. And because I was sure that was a big factor in landing me a new job as a deputy manager in a startup, which is around 3 to 4 years. So I'm very grateful for the support that I have received from Skill Arbitrage. This is not only a symbol of my achievement, I feel it's also a testament to the power of their guidance and mentorship. Really, I'm thankful to everyone in the Skill Arbitrage team for the recognition. I'm truly grateful for the support they have rendered me. Thank you so much, everyone. I had to take a break actually in August due to my personal commitments. So earlier I had gotten experience in the field of e-publishing. So I liaise with clients, then across all editors-in-chief and authors. And after I took a break, really, I got stuck up. I didn't know what I had been doing earlier. I was wondering, was it me who was doing all this and now I'm stuck? And how would I be able to move forward? So it was at that time I was able to discover Skill Arbitrage and join the bootcamp. Actually, I initially had the hesitation, should I go about it? And honestly, to join Skill Arbitrage and to pay the fees, I didn't really have anything. First day, I wasn't sure whether I'll be able to join. Then somehow I managed. Second day, I thought I can go for the EMI options. And I struggled initially for the first 3 months to pay my EMI. I got complete hope only after getting this actually. So I'm thinking now there are lots of routes how I can move forward. The way they had taught me, like you can go to a startup and they have recognized my work through the CV that I had put and on the profile on LinkedIn as well. They were very happy and asked me who crafted this actually. I said I had a support team, so all the credit goes to the entire Skill Arbitrage team. It's a God's gift actually. Really, we are blessed.